Hi everyone and welcome back to SuperWheels Login. Today we will see the new KYMCO Agility 16 Plus 125i. New aesthetics and significant interventions that increase safety and comfort. More agility with a 14-inch rear wheel. More comfort with a redesigned saddle and longer suspension travel, new folding foot pegs and larger storage space. The 7-liter fuel tank ensures even greater autonomy in collaboration with a new electronic control unit. 125 cubic centimeters engine with 7-liter tank. The Agility 16 Plus 125i from KYMCO is one of the company's most popular scooters and offers a high level of comfort combined with low operating costs. The 125 cubic centimeters engine with which it is equipped now meets Euro 5 emission standards, with its performance being 8.7 horsepower at 7,500 with torque reaching 8.6 Nm at 7,000 RPM. KYMCO announces a consumption of 2.5 L/100 km, and combined with the 7-liter tank, it offers a satisfactory autonomy that exceeds 250 km. It has electronic CDI ignition as well as a starter. The large wheels are 16 and 14 inches in diameter, front and rear respectively, for the optimal combination of stability and agility in urban driving conditions. Its tires are 180 in front and 120/80 in rear. The 16-inch front wheel reads the road's imperfections better than the smaller wheels that scooters are often equipped with, while it can easily ride pavement. In terms of brakes, the model has a combined braking system, CBS, and is equipped with 260 mm diameter discs in front and 240 mm in rear, with 2 piston calipers. The instrument panel features the traditional analog needle layout for speed and fuel level, while there is also a digital display showing the trip and total odometer and the time, as well as an oil change indicator. Top case 33L and adjustable suspension.
Thanks for tuning into SuperWheels Login. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes and cars. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is a specific vehicle you'd like us to review next. Until next time, ride safe and we'll see you on the road.